What's up, everybody? It's David here at Smitty's Garage, coming at y'all on this beautiful but blessed day. I mean, yesterday it was just kind of cold here in East Texas, but today, nice and shiny, guys. Really excited to come to this point on what I'm going to work on today. I'd like to get this out of the way. I want to thank each one of y'all that's joined me on this adventure so far, but got something special today on this. I'm kind of excited. Y'all want to see what it is? Come on, man. Roll with me. Let's check it out. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. Got a lot of things going on in the shop right now. I'm working on big house, but kind of waiting on parts, and the parts come in for this. But I want to see if the clutches are free, and if it is, I had a with help me get this thing on the service stand, and maybe we can start it up and run it through the gears. But if y'all remember, we had a little problem, didn't we, huh? Guys, I got a solution, man. Come over to the bench with me and check this out. Man, what do we have here, guys? Oh boy, boy. I ordered me a new perch, a new lever, new cable adjuster, and another cable. So, what do you say we get this good stuff on that bad boy and give it a try? Let's see what it's going to take. On a side note, in case anybody ever runs into this, y'all remember a couple series ago when we got it running, I had to bypass it right here? Well, lo and behold, I could have bypassed it right here, because there is a little trigger up in there that goes to that switch. Anyway, oh well. Pass is pass. Unhook this. Take this nut loose. We'll be able to take that off. Then we'll put the new one on here. We'll come on through the cable. Cables run through that port right there. It'll come on through there. It'll ride up on top. Rests up in here. Connects right here to the lever. That little thing right there. Seems pretty straightforward. Willing to bet this is what's going to give me the fits right here. Wouldn't be surprised if I have to take this off. But now that y'all know the game plan, reckon I'll just go ahead and do this real quick. So take this off, put the new one on, connect the wires back up, run the cable down through here to there. Sounds simple. What do you say I just do it, quit talking about it, and bring y'all back just like that. Oh yeah, here we are, guys, for future reference. Take your grip off, take your control box off, and then where did I put it? I put it way over yonder, guys. I actually got mad and I just chunked it. Take your perch loose, 10 millimeter. That being said, we have an empty canvas. Oh, no we don't. We can get rid of this bad boy right here. So, this cable's froze. The adjuster's broke. And the perch is broke. So that's why I sought to replace them. Now we can go back with the new stuff. We'll put the perch and lever on. Put the control box on, slip that on, route our cable. Let's get it, yo. Well, I got it hooked up. Had a few visitors along the way, but I've got it all on here, all installed. What are we looking at, guys? Probably 15 minutes. Really wasn't nothing to it, but let's take a peep at it. So we got it all back together, guys, just like I described to you. Perch with the lever, connect the clutch safety wires to it, harness control that, ran my cable through. Sorry guys, it's going underneath there. It's going over here. Where you at? To the clutch. Look at that, guys. I'll be honest. Let me get over here. Now I'm going to hold my phone a little bit differently because I want y'all to hear this right here. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that truly sounds like the basket's moving. But you know what, guys? There ain't going to be one way to find out. I'm going to get y'all on the tripod here. We're going to drop this thing in gear. I'm going to verify the wheel doesn't move. Pull the clutch lever. See if we can move it. If that proves as a positive, then we're going to move forward to what I want to do next. Alrighty, guys. Let's drop this thing down in gear. Well, first let's verify the wheel does turn. I want y'all to see that. All right. So y'all see I got it freed up. Let's go down in the first. One down, the rest up. All right, y'all see we're locked up. This is gonna be the fun part. That's quite a good bit of ways away. What do you say I just tie up this handle and then we'll do it. Let me get y'all back. Alright guys, I'm not no Stretch Armstrong, but I just got the lever pulled in. We're still down in first gear. Man, I'm picking up everything I don't want to pick up. So a while ago we put it in first gear and we couldn't turn the back wheel, so this is kind of a moment of truth if the clutches are sticking or not. Look like they sticking to me, don't it, guys? Looks like they sticking to me. Alrighty. What do you say we got it up on the jack stand, so it's up off the ground. What do you say we just bump it over a little bit, see if it'll break free? Let me hook it up. Alright, well I got my battery charger hooked up, got my battery cables hooked up. I do have the fuel off. Guys, I'm not trying to start the bike. I just want to jar those clutches a little bit. Got my kill switch in the run position. Got it on. We ain't got no kind of lights. Why? Because it's in first gear. So it's not going to turn over. I lied. Let's see if we can't get her to jar free now. Can y'all see that back wheel? Yeah, good enough, right guys? Good enough. Oh boy. Well, guys, I'm gonna do a little adjusting here and see if I can't get this to free up. I'm gonna adjust on the cable some, and I'm gonna do a little rocking. We're gonna try to keep this video down, but if I can get those clutches freed up, I want to test the transmission. Let's do this. Well, that appeared to work, guys. Y'all see I still got my clutch lever put in. So what I did is I started it up in first gear and I heard it do like that. So what I'm going to do here is, there's neutral. Let's go on back down in the first gear. I'm going to take this off right here just so y'all can see it locked up and don't go, hey man, you're pulling this voodoo magic on us. Not doing that, guys. See the levers connected. Oh, I'm in neutral, guys. See, that's why I'm doing this for y'all. All right, here we go, guys. Now I'm in first gear. All right, because I'm not Stretch Armstrong, we're going to tie this up right here. Tie this lever up in the depressed position. So the clutches, we should be able to turn that back wheel, right guys? Let's find out. Okay, still needs a little adjustment, still tight, but that's telling me the clutches are free. So what I want to do now is I'm going to have to play with this carburetor a little bit, get it idling, where it'll just sit here and idle on its own, and then we can come on in here and I'll be on that side, press the clutch in, put it in gear, let the wheels turn. Sounds fair? Sounds fair. Let's do it, guys. Let's test this transmission. All right, guys, this is actually the moment I've been waiting for. We're gonna, I got it where it was idling a while ago, so I'm finna fire it up, get it idling, and then I'm gonna come over here and pull the clutch lever, put it in gear, get that back wheel turning. If that works, great. Then we're going to pull the clutch lever, make sure it slows down. Then we're just going to go through all the gears. I just want to see, do they work? So let's do this. Hopefully it'll run right, because I did have it idling good. Now this old carb still has its issues, guys, and there's not much I can do about it right now. So that's that vacuum leak, guys. It's going to happen. We're fixing to enter second gear. Make sure I'm back in neutral, which I am not. Anyway, let's get it back in neutral, guys, and I'll start it back up. This time, when it revs up, we ain't stopping. We're going to go for it. Let's just go for it. Second gear. It needs more throttle. So, we're just going to give it some more throttle. No problem with that, guys. It's just going to rev up. success in my book. I don't know about y'all, but Ithwit had to come give me a hand because, guys, I'm just not Stretch Armstrong, but that's a success in my book. All the gears worked and the clutch disengaged on every gear. I don't know if y'all seen me, but I revved it up while he had the clutch pulled in and I turned the wheel. That's a success, guys. Awesome, man. Awesome. Guys, that was just awesome, man. Hey, listen, I want to give a special shout out to Ithwit. Guys, y'all go check his channel out. He's working on a little project right now. Y'all might enjoy it if y'all like things like I do. Big shout out, man. Link will be in the description below. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Ithwit. Peace. Woo! I don't know about y'all, but that was exciting right there. Y'all see I took a little precaution, man. I was like, no, we ain't finna jump up off of here and go running through the wall, but man, y'all see it? All the gears worked. Clutch disengaged. Awesome, yo. Guys, I got some throttle cables coming. Got a choke cable coming, and I got a petcock valve coming. Pretty sure the next time I work on this old girl, we're gonna be installing them and get it where we can control the throttle like that and use the factory gas tank. I think that's gonna be the next time around. Awesome, man. I think we're gonna wrap this one up though, guys. That's what I'm thinking. What do you think? Cool. Guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this one up right here. Gonna be a short video, but you know what? We hit the nail on the head every time, guys. Every time. Hey guys, check this out. Today I just want to install that perch, install the lever, install the cable, and check to see if the clutches were free. If they wasn't free, let's see if we can't get them free. And then put a little icing on top of the cake. I wanted to test the transmission out, see if all the gears worked. Everything was a success, guys. Blessings indeed. Hey, I want to thank each and every one of y'all that take time out of y'all's busy schedule to just watch the crazy things I do in my shop. Did y'all know, guys, we hit 400 subscribers here at Smitty's Garage. Big thank you to everyone that's hit that subscribe button. Share the word, guys. Join Smitty's Nation here. I'd love to have y'all about. Hey, guys, listen. The grind never ends. So just find something that you like to do. Do it today, and tomorrow, do it better. Hey, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe. We already talked on this. I'd love to have you here at Smitty's Nation. Give me a thumbs down. Probably deserve it. Hey guys, I hope that your projects are fruitful. I hope they're going your way, and I hope that they're very meaningful. From David here at Smitty's Garage, I hope that y'all have a blessed day. Peace. I'm out. Yeah.